With falling prices, the solar industry now has adopted over 60 gigawatts of solar power in the US alone. However, clouds moving in and out of the area causes power spikes and power dips that can exceed 80% of the solar capacity, could cause a disruption of the grid. Traditional methods like gas peaker plants, expensive transmission line capacity, or batteries have not solved this problem fast enough or economically enough. I'm Bert Wank, founder and CEO of infiniRel Corporation. I'd like to introduce you my Vice President of Operations and co-founder, Bill Allen.
And I'd like to introduce you to the patented and patent-pending prototype GyroVerter. This is a high-speed rotating device that converts mechanical to electrical power and vice versa. This means we can replace inverters with something that has built-in power storage. That means when the clouds move in, the GyroVerter will still spin. Previously, I've worked in Fortune 300 companies developing product in Sweden, India, and the United States, and bringing that product to market.
I've launched 14 power management and battery management product lines, creating revenues exceeding $100 million for companies such as Texas Instruments. Together we are a great team, bringing mechanical engineering, operations, electrical engineering, and business development to the table to make solar adoption accelerated reality.